Did you know that over 60% of bloggers struggle to make a steady income online? What if you could automate your blog, rank higher on Google, and start making money without spending hours writing or doing SEO? Imagine a system that builds a profitable autoblog for you completely hands-free. Sounds impossible? It's not. With Journalist AI, you can start an autoblog that runs itself while you make money online, all on autopilot. Here are 10 ways you can use Journalist AI to start making money online with an autoblog. 1. Dropshipping product blogs. Set up autoblogs around trending products in the dropshipping industry. Journalist AI can create engaging blog posts about product reviews, comparisons, and tutorials, and auto-publish them to your Shopify store. You can then link the posts to your dropshipping store, driving traffic and boosting sales. 2. Evergreen tutorials and how-to guides. Build an autoblog that automatically publishes tutorials and how-to guides related to your niche. Since these types of posts are often evergreen, they will continue to drive traffic and generate affiliate commissions over time with little to no ongoing work required. 3. Local business directories. Create autoblogs that focus on local businesses and services. Write reviews, compile directories, and provide SEO-optimized content for various industries in specific locations. Monetize through affiliate links, ads, and sponsorships from local businesses. 4. Sell digital services through autoblogs. Create an autoblog that promotes various digital services like website design, SEO consulting, or social media management. Let Journalist AI generate blog content that highlights the benefits of these services and link to your own service offerings or affiliate programs for additional revenue. 5. Automated book summaries. Use Journalist AI to generate summaries and reviews of popular books in different genres. This autoblog can target avid readers and book enthusiasts. Monetize by including affiliate links to purchase books or through partnerships with online bookstores. 6. Membership-only autoblogs. Create exclusive content for niche audiences using Journalist AI, and then monetize by offering subscription-based access to premium blog posts. Whether it's investment tips, exclusive recipes, or marketing hacks, your autoblog can generate consistent income through paid memberships. 7. Curated industry news. Autoblogs. Use Journalist AI to curate and summarize the latest news from a specific industry, like tech, finance, or fitness. By consistently posting up-to-date news content, you can build authority in your niche and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 8. Seasonal content and holiday guides. Build an autoblog that focuses on seasonal trends like holiday gift guides, back-to-school tips, or summer vacation ideas. Journalist AI can keep the content fresh and relevant throughout the year, allowing you to monetize through affiliate sales, ads, or sponsored posts. 9. Create multiple niche blogs effortlessly. Select a profitable niche and let Journalist AI do the rest. With automated content generation and SEO, you can launch multiple niche blogs with minimal effort. After you have your niche blog launched, you can find relevant products in your niche and monetize with affiliate marketing. Use your autoblog to promote affiliate products. With fresh, SEO-optimized content, you can attract more traffic and boost affiliate sales. 10. Sell autoblogs as a service. Once you master autoblogging with Journalist AI, you can create and sell automated blogs as a service to other entrepreneurs, adding another stream of income. Ready to see this all in action? Click the first link in the description and try Journalist AI for free. What would you do if you could create a fully automated blog that runs itself? How much time would that save you, and how would it impact your income? Let me know in the comments. What's been your biggest challenge when it comes to making money online? How could an autoblog powered by AI help you overcome that? To sum it up, Journalist AI is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to make money online with an autoblog. It automates everything, from content creation and SEO optimization to social sharing, so you can focus on growing your business. Whether you're looking for passive income or to scale your blog empire, Journalist AI gives you the power to do it effortlessly. Ready to start your own money-making autoblog? Click the first link in the description to try Journalist AI for free and see how easy it is to automate your blog and start making money online. Don't wait. Your future autoblog is just a click away.